Using the Whoop charging cable is a straightforward process that requires attention to a few key details to ensure safe and effective charging of your Whoop device. First, locate the charging cable that came with your Whoop or purchase a replacement from the official Whoop website to guarantee compatibility and safety. Next, identify the charging port on your Whoop device, which is usually located at the top or side of the device. Depending on the model, gently insert the smaller end of the charging cable into the charging port, making sure it is securely connected to avoid any damage or malfunction. Now, plug the larger end of the charging cable into a USB port on your computer, wall adapter, or any other USB-compatible charging source. Ensure the charging source is providing the recommended voltage and current to prevent overheating or damage to your device. Once the cable is properly connected to both your Whoop device and the charging source, your device should start charging. You can verify this by checking the LED indicators on your device or the Whoop app, which will display the current charging status and battery level. To get the most out of your Whoop charging cable, it is essential to follow best practices such as avoiding overcharging, keeping the cable clean and dry, and storing it properly when not in use. Regularly inspect the cable for signs of wear and tear, and replace it if necessary to prevent damage to your device or safety hazards. By following these simple steps and guidelines, you can effectively use your Whoop charging cable to keep your device powered and ready for tracking your fitness and health metrics. Always refer to the official Whoop user manual or website for specific instructions and recommendations tailored to your device model and needs.